Hello. Okay, so let's go back to our project that we have done before. Let me make this a little. So there is a tab here in the left that you can make your code bigger. Okay, so let's go see. So now we're going to talk about comments and preprocessors. So for the comments, you want to you start with your project with your program, adding the code, a comment before the code. So the comment is going to go before any code is posted in the program, before the libraries and anything else. So here I'm going to put the programmer's name. So here it'll be Monica Gonzalez, the date, June 29th, 2020. So the comments are there to give the programmer information about what the code, the date, who created. So if somebody comes behind and needs to add this code, so the person knows who created the date and any information related to what is this code about. So this is our second video on comments and pre processor and preprocessor. All right, so that's a comment, right? If you want to add a block of comment, you can also use you change this line. So if you take the line off, you see that change the color. If the color is green, you can see that's a comment, and the programmer, the compiler, is not going to see this as part of the code. All right. So most of C++ programs follow a common layout. Right. So the comments are part of this layout. Now, if you want to use a comment in a block, instead to put, let's say you had a line of code, the comments and too many. So what you can do is instead to use slash slash, you can use asterisk slash, take these ones out, and use a slash asterisk. So now you have a block of code, right? Instead to do a single slash slash bar for each line of code. So very good. So we're going to take this out and leave this as our comment right there. So the next line the next thing that I want to talk about is the preprocessor. So here we have the library. This library, so I'm going to put a comment here in front of it. This specific IO stream library allows for the use of cout, so uh, output for the console, and cin, that is input to the console. Let's say you want to output the welcome to my first project, you need to use cout. And if you want somebody, let's say you have what is your name, and then you're going to type my name is Monica Gonzalez, you use the same. I'm going to go and we're going to go and look this in the next video. So I wanted to make them short so they're easy to understand. So all right, so we want to use the preprocessor. In this case, when I want to output cout or use cin, I had to use the namespace std standard library, right? So in this case, instead to use in every single line, I'm going to use the preprocessor using namespace std std. So I'm going to use the preprocessor standard library to input and output. So now actually I don't have to type every time that I want to output something. Anytime that I want to output, this does freeze a little bit. So every time that I want to output something, I don't have to put std colon colon to see out or see in. All right. Don't be frustrated that sometimes, welcome to the first project. Um, Hope you have fun. All right, so you don't have to actually use the standard library in every single one of them, right? So let's go take this out. And now that we're using the preprocessor, use the namespace standard library. If we debug, let me go save. If we debug the code, now you can see, welcome to my first project. I hope you have fun. Everything is in the same line. Okay, great. So in the next video, we're going to see how we can separate this and how we can allow for users input. Great. See you in the next video.